Yeah, this is second main 6.4 exercise 6.4 second main. Find the product p square minus q square into 2p plus q, p square times 2p plus q minus q square times 2p plus q. P square into 2p is 2p cube plus p square into q is p square cube minus q square into 2p is 2p cube square minus into plus minus q square into q is q cube. Homework 1, 2, 3. 3 problems are there. Please do the homework. Now third main, simplify. X square minus 5 into x plus 5 plus 25. X square times x plus 5 minus 5 times x plus 5 plus 25. X square into x is x cube plus x square into 5 is 5x square minus 5 into x is 5x minus into plus minus 5 is 25 plus 25. So plus 25 plus 25 minus 25 will get cancelled. X cube plus 5x square minus 5x. This is the answer. The fourth one, a plus b into c minus d plus a minus b into c plus d plus 2 times ac plus bd. A times c minus d plus b times c minus d plus a times c plus d minus b times c plus d plus 2 times ac 2ac plus 2 times bd 2bd. Now a into c is ac minus ad plus b into c bc minus plus into minus minus bd plus a into c is ac plus a into d is ad minus b into c is bc minus into plus minus bd plus 2 times ac plus 2 times bd. Now ac plus ac is 2ac minus bd minus bd is minus 2bd plus 2ac is equals to 2ac is equal to 4ac minus 2bd plus 2bd will get cancelled. Okay, now seventh one, 1.5x minus 4y into 1.5x plus 4y plus 3. Okay, minus 4.5x plus 12y. So 1.5x times 1.5x plus 4y plus 3 minus 4y times 1.5x plus 4y plus 3. Okay, minus 4.5x plus 12y. So multiply this. If you multiply this one, some terms are here, they are getting cancelled. Then you will get here 2.25 x square minus 16 y square. Okay, this is third main. Okay, in third main, some of the problems are there for homework. Okay, they are third, fifth, sixth, eighth and second. These are the problems. Please do the homework. Now what is an identity? Okay, we are going to study about identities. What is an identity? So let us take one example. A plus 1 into a plus 2 is equals to a square plus 3a plus 2. If a is equal to 10, what happens? 10 plus 1 is 11. 10 plus 2 is 12. 11 12s are 132. So a square is 10 square plus 3 into 10 plus 2. So 10 tens are 100 plus 3 tens are 30 plus 2. 132 is equals to 132. LHS is equal to RHS. Such an equality. You can see here both are equal. So such an equality true for every value of the variable in it. So such a equality it is called what? Identity. So here both are called, that is LHS is equal to RHS. So therefore this is called an identity. Okay, let us see now standard identities. So some of the identities you have studied already. A plus b square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, then a minus b whole square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Then a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. Okay, these are all what when we multiply. So both the binomials, if you multiply, you will get this answer. So similarly this also and even this also. So finally the identities are a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square and a plus b into a minus b. And even one more standard identity we can see here, that is x plus a into x plus b. When we multiply this one, these two, will get x square plus a plus b times x plus ab. Okay, this is a standard identity. Okay, and still more identities we are going to study inside this chapter. So let us see now. Now let us multiply these four identities and let us simplify. applying identities. Using the identity, find 2x plus 3y whole square and 103 whole square. These are the two problems. So I am solving here 2x plus 3y whole square. So 2x plus 3y whole square, what is this? Which suitable identity we can use here? That is here one term a and here b, a plus b whole square, that is a plus b whole square. That identity we can use. What is that identity? A square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay. Now here let us compare. A is equals to what? 2x and b is equal to 3y. So write that. Then 2x plus 3y whole square is equal to, let us expand this one according to this identity. A square is 2x whole square plus 2 into a is 2x into b is 3y plus b square is 3y whole square. Now that is equal to 2 2s are 4, x square plus 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, xy plus 3 3s are 9, y square. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, now 103 whole square, 103 whole square. How to? Simply, that means how to find out the identity. Which identity you have to use? So we can use that means the identity 100 plus 3. If we take 103, you will get 107 minus 4 if you do 103. So that also you can take it as identity. A minus b whole square also you can take. Now I have taken here a plus b whole square is equals to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here what is a? A is 100. Compare. A is 100 and b is 3. Now 100 plus 3 whole square is equals to, according to the identity, a square plus, that is 100 square plus 2ab, 2 into 100 into 3 plus b square is 3 square. So now that is equal to 100 square is 10,000 plus 600, 2 3s is 6, 6 into 100 is 600 plus 3 3s are 9. So 100 plus 3 whole square is 10,609. Okay. Now let us see next problem. Using identity, find 4p minus 3q whole square 4.9 whole square. 4p minus 3q whole square. This is what is the identity you have to, suitable identity you have to use is, here we have to use 4p minus 3q whole square is what? A minus b whole square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay. Now a is, let us compare. A is what? 4p. Okay, and b is 3q. 4p minus 3q whole square is equals to 4p whole square minus 2 into 4p into 3q plus 3q whole square. That is equal to 4 4 is 16 p square minus 2 4 is 8, 8 3 is 24 pq plus 3 3 is 9 q square. 4.9 whole square is equals to 5 minus 0.1. If you do 4.9 you will get. You can see here children, 5.0 and 0.1. So taking borrow 10 minus 1 is 9. Here how much you get? 4. Okay, 4.9. Okay, after taking borrow 4. So 4 minus 0 is 4. Okay, 4.9. So a minus b whole square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. A is what? 5.0. B is 0.1. So 5 minus 0.1 whole square is equals to a square is 5 square minus 2 into a is 5 into b is 0.1 plus b square is 0.1 whole square. 5 5 is 25 minus 2 5 is 10. 10 into 0.1 is 1 plus 0.0 multiply, after multiplying this one, that is 0.1 into 0.1 you will get 0.01. So 5 minus 0.1 whole square is equals to 25 minus 1 is 24.01. This is the answer. Okay. Now next main, third main, that is third main. Using the identity, find 3 by 2 m plus 2 by 3 n into 3 by 2 m minus 2 by 3 n. A plus b into a minus b is equals to a square minus b square. A is 3 by 2 m and b is 2 by 3 n. Okay. Now this what is the identity we have to use for this? A minus a square minus b square. A square minus b square is 3 by 2 m whole square minus 2 by 3 m n whole square. 3 3s are 9 by 2 2s are 4 m square minus 2 2s are 4 by 3 3s are 9 n square. Now second problem is 983 whole square minus 17 square is equals to, this can be written as 983 plus 17 into 983 minus 17, that is a square minus b square is equals to a plus b into a minus b. Now 983 plus 17 is 1000 into 983 minus 17 is 966. If you multiply, you will get 9, that is 9,66,000. Okay. Now third problem is 194 into 206 is equals to, what you can write here, this can be splitted as 200 minus 6 is nothing but 194. So 200 minus 6 into 200 plus 6 we can write. So the identity is a minus b into a plus b is equals to a square minus b square. A is 200, b is 6. So 200 minus 6 into 200 plus 6 is equals to 200 whole square minus 6 square. So 200 whole square is 40,000 minus 6 6 are 36. So 39,964. Now fourth main, use identity x plus a into x plus b is equals to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab to find the following. Okay, to find the following: 501 into 502. So you can write this as 500 plus 1 into 500 plus 2. So what is the suitable identity we have to use here? X is equal to 500, a is equals to, see these are two different numbers, so therefore we have to use x plus, I think we have not written here, x plus a into, I will write here children, x plus a into x plus b is equals to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Okay children, so that is according to this, x is 500, a is 1 and b is 2. Okay, now second problem is 95 into 103 is equals to 100 minus 5, isn't it? 100 minus 5 is nothing but 95 and into 100 plus 3. So x is equal to 100, a is equals to minus 5, b is equal to 3. Okay, according to this formula. Now 100 square is 10,000 plus minus 5 plus 3 is minus 2 into 100 plus minus into plus is minus, 5 3s are 15. 10,000 minus 200 minus 15 is equals to 9,785. This is the answer. Now let us go to the exercise 6.5. Okay, use the suitable identity to get each of the following products. 2y plus 5 into 2y plus 5 is nothing but 2y plus 5 whole square. So this is the identity you have to use, and then you have to simplify like this. Okay children, so similarly this here also you can see this is what, which is the identity you have to use, a minus b whole square. And similarly fifth one also, a minus b whole square. I think this is a 1.1 m minus 0.4 into 1.1 m plus 0.4 is there. So this I have done here little bit, this is mistake. A square minus a minus b into a plus b is equals to a square minus b square. Okay children, a square minus b square. And then here a is 1.1 m and b is 0.4. Okay, now this is not the formula you are going to use, you have to use this formula. According to this, a minus b is what you get here, this is whole square and this is also whole square. Okay, 1.1 whole square minus 0.4 whole square. So what you get, 1.1 whole square minus 0.4 whole square. 1.1 whole square is 1.21 m square minus 0.4 whole square is 1.6. Okay, this is the answer children, 1.21 m square minus 1.6. This is the answer. Okay, Then next is sixth one, a square plus b square into minus b square minus minus a square plus b square. So this let us rewrite like this: b square plus a square here into b square minus a square. So this is what the identity, a suitable identity we have to use. So here a is equals to b square and b is equals to a square. According to this, b square whole square minus a square whole square. B square whole square is b to the power 4 minus a square whole square is a to the power 4. Now 8th question is minus a plus c into minus a plus c is equals to c minus a into c minus a is equal to c minus a whole square. So this is the answer. What is that identity you have to use here? According to this, a is equals to c, a is equals to c and b is equals to a. Okay, c minus a whole square is equals to c square minus 2ca plus a square, c square minus 2ca plus a square. This is the answer. Okay children, now homework is homework for 2nd, 3rd, 7th, 9th and 10th. These are the homework problems. Please do in homework notebook. Now second main, use the identity x plus a into x plus b is equals to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab to find the following products. Okay, 4x plus 5 into 4x plus 1. So x plus a into x plus b is equals to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Here x is equals to 4x, a is equals to 1 and b is equals to 1. So here accordingly 4x whole square plus 5 plus 1 into x plus 5 into 1, that is equal to 16x square plus 5 plus 1 is 6 into x is 6x plus 5. So similarly here another problem, 4x minus 5 into 4x plus minus 1. Here x is equals to 4x and a is equals to minus 5, b is equals to minus 1. So according to this identity, 4x whole square plus of minus 5 minus 1 into 4x plus minus 5 into minus 1. So 16, 4 4 is 16 x square, then minus 5 minus 1 is minus 6 4s are 24 plus into minus 24x minus 5 1s are 5 minus into minus plus, okay, plus 5. Now 7th problem, xyz minus 4 into xyz minus 2. X plus a into x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Here x is equal to xyz, a is equal to minus 4, b is equal to minus 2. So xyz whole square plus of minus 4 minus 2 into xyz plus of minus 4 into minus 2. So here x square, y square, z square minus 4 minus 2 is minus 6 xyz plus of minus into minus plus 4 2s are 8 plus you will get here minus 6yz. So the homework is first one, fourth one, fifth one, sixth one. Please refer the textbook for questions. Okay, now let us see third main. Find the following squares by using the identities. 6x square minus 5y whole square. So what is identity? A minus b whole square. That is the identity you have to use. A square minus 2ab plus b square. Here a is equal to 6x square, b is equal to 5y. So 6x square minus 5y whole square is equal to 6x square whole square minus 2 into 6x into 5y plus 5y whole square. So 6 6 is 36, x to the power 4 minus 2 6 is 12, 12 5 is 60, x square y plus 5 5 is 25, y square. Now fourth one, 2 by 3 m plus 3 by 2 n whole square. The similar what is that identity you have to use and you have to simplify like this. Then next even fifth also similar way, a minus b whole square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, now according to that you have to simplify like this. Then homework problems are first, second and sixth. Okay, now fourth main, simplify a square minus b square whole square. A square minus b square whole square. So here the identity we have to use, a minus b whole square is equals to a square minus 2ab plus b square. A is a square, b is b square. A square minus b square whole square is a to the power a square whole square minus 2 into a square into b square plus b square whole square. So a to the power 4 minus 2a square b square plus b to the power 4. Okay. Now next is fifth question, 2.5. P minus 1.5 q whole square minus 1.5 p minus 2.5 q whole square. This I will do in a that means explain in next video. Okay, thank you children.